I'm pea, small, green, and usually treated like the side character on your dinner plate. People often push me aside without thinking twice. But here's something surprising. Gram for gram, I'm one of the most protein-rich vegetables you can eat. While many vegetables are known mainly for vitamins and minerals, I also provide a meaningful amount of plant protein and fiber, together, something that's actually quite rare. So before you leave me sitting on the side of your plate again, let me show you what science really says about me. 1 cup of cooked peas contains around 8 grams of protein, 9 grams of fiber, and only about 120 calories. That combination is one reason nutrition experts often recommend peas as part of a balanced diet. Protein helps build and repair tissues throughout your body, while fiber supports healthy digestion and helps you stay full for longer after eating. Together, these nutrients make peas much more than just a colorful vegetable. Let's start with protein. When people think about protein, they usually imagine chicken, fish, eggs, or beans. Very few people think about peas. Of course, peas don't contain as much protein as meat or soy foods. But among vegetables, they provide an impressive amount. That's why peas are commonly included in vegetarian, vegan, and reduced meat eating patterns. Every meal doesn't have to rely entirely on animal protein. Adding foods like peas helps increase your total daily protein intake while also providing nutrients that animal foods don't always offer in the same amounts. Now let's talk about fiber. Fiber is one of the nutrients many people simply don't eat enough of. Peas naturally contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber mixes with water and forms a gel-like substance inside your digestive system. This slows digestion and helps sugar enter your bloodstream more gradually after meals. That slower absorption may help reduce large spikes in blood glucose, especially when peas are eaten as part of a balanced meal. Insoluble fiber works differently. It adds bulk to stool and supports regular bowel movements, helping maintain a healthy digestive system. Together, these two types of fiber make peas an excellent food for overall gut health. Protein and fiber aren't the whole story. Peas also provide several important vitamins and minerals. One of them is vitamin K, which plays an essential role in normal blood clotting and also contributes to maintaining healthy bones. Another important nutrient is manganese. Although many people have never heard much about it, manganese is involved in normal metabolism, bone development, and the body's natural antioxidant defenses. Peas also contain vitamin C, folate, and several B vitamins that help your body convert food into energy. Then there are 2 fascinating plant compounds called lutein and zeaxanthin. These natural antioxidants accumulate inside the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp vision. Researchers believe diets rich in these compounds may help support long-term eye health. While scientists continue studying their full effects, the evidence supporting their role in maintaining healthy vision continues to grow. So what does the research actually say? One of the strongest findings involves satiety, the feeling of fullness after eating. Meals that combine protein with fiber generally help people stay satisfied longer than meals made mostly of refined carbohydrates. Peas naturally provide both. That doesn't mean peas magically burn fat or cause weight loss. No single food can do that. Instead, peas make balanced meals more filling, which may help reduce unnecessary snacking throughout the day. This is one reason nutrition experts often recommend including legumes and foods like peas as part of healthy eating patterns. Let's clear up a few common myths. Many people think peas are basically the same as potatoes. Not really. Although both contain carbohydrates, peas also provide significantly more protein and fiber. Nutritionally, peas behave more like a combination of a vegetable and a legume than a typical starchy vegetable. Another myth is that fresh peas are always healthier than frozen peas. Actually, frozen peas are often picked when they're fully ripe and then flash frozen within hours. This process helps preserve many nutrients. Meanwhile, so-called fresh peas may spend several days traveling and sitting on store shelves before reaching your kitchen. In many cases, frozen peas are just as nutritious and sometimes even better. Adding peas to your meals is incredibly easy. Keep a bag of frozen peas in your freezer. They're affordable, convenient, and ready whenever you need them. Mix peas into rice, pasta, soups, curries, fried rice, or salads. You can even blend them into creamy soups or add them to vegetable stir-fries. If your goal is preserving more vitamin C, lightly steaming peas is generally better than boiling them for long periods. Small cooking changes like this can help retain more nutrients. Peas may be small, but don't underestimate them. They provide one of the best combinations of protein, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants found in the vegetable aisle. They are versatile, budget-friendly, and supported by